Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is just a simple white design with a couple of stones on the index finger. And I did skip through the prepping because I will make a separate video on how I prep my double tip nails. And I am using Sassy acrylic system, the clear one. And I am planning on switching up because I do want to try some other brands. So I will switch up from the Sassy acrylic system soon. So since I am polishing my nails, I'm just applying the clear on all of my fingers, and then I'm just going to go ahead and apply the white nail polish. So earlier I was saying that I do want to change my acrylic system because lately when I've been buying the Sassy acrylic system, I've noticed that they have a new top. So the top, I don't know if they have like a new formula or something, but since I've been using the new one, I've noticed that after a while when the acrylic is setting, it kind of heats up a little bit, and I don't know why. Like the whole nail will start generating some type of heat. So I don't know what type of chemical or what type of new formula they have, but lately I've noticed that type of change. And when I did use the old one on the other hand, I noticed that it didn't have that same effect. So I don't know if it was that batch or if it was if they changed something in their formula. So I'm going to try it one more time on a different set, but I just wanted to put that out there because you guys know I'm brutally honest, and I like to keep things 100%. So after the acrylic is done setting, I shape the nails with a white file, and then after I'm done filing, I just use some acetone to clean the sides and the cuticles to kind of melt down the rest of the acrylic to make it smooth. So I am using my non-dominant hand to paint my nails, but before they dry, I actually cleaned the side walls and the cuticle area with some acetone. So now I'm just using some builder gel, and this builder gel is from Mia's Secret. And I like to use the builder gel because right now I don't use any stone glues. So I rather use the builder gel as an alternative so the stones can set. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to go ahead and let the video play out. And I would like to welcome my new subscribers as well as my returning subscribers.